Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Best Reviews. Today we're diving into the great outdoors with a roundup of the top 5 best cool camping gadgets and gear you can get your hands on this year. Whether you're a seasoned camper or just starting your outdoor adventure, these innovative tools are set to elevate your camping experience. So sit tight, subscribe if you haven't already, and let's explore the best in camping gear together. Number 5 on our list is the HBioLite HeadLamp 330 lumen no bounce rechargeable headlight. An ultra-thin 3D molded housing that sits seamlessly on your forehead, ensuring no bounce or slip. Integrated electronics and moisture-wicking fabric make this headlamp perfect for any activity. With a rechargeable battery and impressive specs like 330 lumens, adjustable front panel, and 40 hours of battery life, this headlamp is a game changer. Coming in at number 4 is the Speaqua Bluetooth speaker, a waterproof marvel. Dive into a world where your music goes wherever you go, even underwater. With an IP68 waterproof rating and a removable suction bottom for universal mounting, this speaker is a beach necessity. What's more, it stores up to 2,000 songs with 8 gigabytes of built-in memory, freeing you from your phone and ensuring uninterrupted playtime. At number 3, we've got the BALMUDA The Lantern, a rechargeable LED lantern that's more than just a light source. Its unique illumination creates the perfect ambience for any setting. With adjustable brightness and 3 light modes, it's a versatile companion for your everyday moments. And get this, it's lightweight, water-resistant, and designed for any situation, whether it's a peaceful evening stroll or an outdoor dinner. Now let's shine a light on number 2, the Zeniko Emergency Strobe Light. This compact powerhouse is your ultimate outdoor companion. With dual lighting components, including an upgraded flash tube for SOS signals and general LED lighting for various situations, it ensures you're visible from up to 10 kilometers away. It's a must-have for adventurers who prioritize safety. And now, the grand finale at number 1, the AroundFire Portable Grill Table. Imagine a 16-pound wonder that folds down to the size of a carry-on suitcase, giving you the ultimate campfire experience. AroundFire's patent-pending design merges stainless steel fire mesh with a dual-fold table, offering unmatched functionality and portability. Say goodbye to bulky fire pits and hello to hassle-free gatherings.